Yeah. So we are always giving you tutorial on HTML5. And you guys see the HTML5 generator and HTML5 dog wall. So those are along the line of making things happen. But I thought about it a long time ago, so saying, okay, fine, what if somebody had a hose or a website or something that they can like either build or keep adding various pages that they needed on the fly. So okay, today we're gonna challenge using the HTML5 Cloud 5 not to create a video setup right now, but an audio setup. So let's go to the generator, and we have a video file here. As I've been creating like a lot of stuff, and even created Star Media Radio. I've been trying to find ways in getting like songs and stuff to play. And sometimes you might get the song and you don't really get them in audio. So getting it in the video form is cool. So now you can be in connection with other people that their stuff are really video, but you can stream it back as audio. So this is the VGA audio player will stream audio as a video. So we are here on the HTML5. We just sort of generated a video audio segment here already inside of the generator. Okay. So in another tutorial we'll just show you. If you're in here, and this is going to be open soon, the newer version, you can just go set a custom audio player, and it will give you a custom audio player. So we got a custom audio player, and what we did, let's go do some stuff here. I already went there and I changed up the color of the heading and everything, but I'll go back and make vertical changes, show where I'm doing. And I chose all the way I wanted the thing to already look already. Okay, and I did that. And I came over here. I didn't make any change here as far as if I wanted to make some changes or set the title, but we can say my new audio, right? Just for it to come up in I just say new audio, right? So we have that done, and we can say, okay, inject that, and we can call for the quote thing, and we can just say, give us a live view of what we did. And it said my new audio. Start. So all that I did right here, okay, and I will close this out, and we'll give a full web view of what it is. Okay, like that. Cool. So that's something I don't really like, so I need to make a change there. So because I need to make a change, let's select this and clear this off first. All right, and before we do, let's shut this off, and we go back to the style sheet, and we'll clearly look on where we did something. Yeah. We should make this white also. See? And we'll go back and
In 2166, an immortal tyrant named Vandal Savage conquered the world and murdered my wife and child. I've assembled an elite.
Now, because we made that white, because we want the wording to be white, and I need to have a better, it's all about, that's why we design, and we design tools for you to design. So we need to go back to the style sheet. And I think it is this one, right, is it's white, so we need to give it another change. What about putting red on it, right? Like flipping the color around. I think we need to flip the stuff around. That's what we needed to do, right? So we needed to do.
In 2166, an immortal tyrant named Vandal Savage conquered the world and murdered my wife.
Right. Okay. And I think because we had that blue player. You guys think blue is okay? I don't know if you think blue is okay. I don't know, but I think let me try to be more. Think about. Let's try to find out. You think blue is okay? To like, did that blue look? Let's see what kind we're talking about here. Skin. Oh, we got number 1 is blue. Let's find out what 8 is, right? Let's
In 2166, an immortal tyrant named Vandal Savage conquered the world and murdered my wife and child. I have assembled an...
Okay, so we have got a red player. Sometimes we have to go to web version to see what we got, you know? Okay? So that's what we just designed. Right? Now, say for instance that we didn't really want that bar across there because that bar is kind of like funky. To me that bar is kind of funky. I really don't want it there. So I'm gonna like try to go back to the star sheet and see what I can accomplish there. And I went red and I'm like, okay, just don't give me anything. You know what I mean? Let it be just that. Alright? Okay, and we can see what we did. So cool.
In 2160.
So we automatically just said we didn't want that. Okay, so we get a web view now and we see what we did. Right? So we'll have just a nice rocking music pitch, don't it? In case you guys don't know, this is a VG audio player on VGA, development, and I have my own video and audio play sets. Well, I registered a video player that includes the audio and the separation of both programs. Right? So today we just gave you like a demonstration of creating a really neat audio page. Oh yeah, so if I want to say, and I really don't like, let's try to experiment and take out some, go to the style and say, maybe we should like try to find out what we can do. Oh, there is a background and music equalizer. And there's also a piano one and music notes. Let's try this one.
In 2166, an immortal...
So then we'll see how it really looks in the web view. Right? Cool. So we create VG Studio Cloud, HTML5 Studio to give you this look. So that the new awares will give you some high-grade quality corporate style music site that is a similar look to YouTube, kind of template. This template here breeds that you can do this to it and be creative. Okay, so there is other version of the template that will display not the menu on the side, but a menu that close and open on the side. Okay, and like that. So if you in the future be getting involved into VGA community as a developer or someone who just like the way the style of the program is, of course. So before jumping out of here. Let's clear up the audio. Oh, no, let's not clear the audio. We have another version of the template, but it's more refined now. And let me show you a refined version. A refined version is this now. This is the refined version. You see, it's still the same thing here. And still have the headline there. Or maybe we should find something near that. Yeah, this is a refined version of it too. So those are the refined version that came from this guy. Right?
In 2166, an immortal tyrant named Vandal Savage conquered the world and murdered my wife and child. I have assembled...
Something went wrong in this particular template. Why it does not show us the controls, I think, like that. But as you can see, the newer version is bad. Right? Well, you guys won't be getting that over there until you get that in the upgrade. So that's what we were talking about. When HTML5 open up and we shoot you over here at the starter level to start creating, let's clear this. Okay. Templates like these, right? Okay. See? Now, there's a part of the program, you come in and you create stuff like this. And that's like on a level where you'll have limited amount of skin to like work with. The free one is similar like this. When you get into the free program, you actually come into something like this. But there's just a limit, and you're creating multiple colors. So you may get to click maybe 1 or 2 template colors. But you'll still get the audio. And as far as my player is concerned, you can get my players for free. Right? But on other players that are there, I pay a license for it, so people have to pay a license, sub-license fee. Okay, thanks for viewing HTML5 audio page set up at HTML5 Studio here at VG. Okay, it's a full pre-hosing package that member will come in and have their own subdomain on the inside, right, to do their thing, right? And you guys all know you can do your own capture image, right? And it's going to be made possible.
In 2166,
it's going to be made possible for you to capture this image right here. And on the new housing package, we allow you to save image. You won't be able to save the media and stuff like that. Of course, you have to save that in some storage or cloud or whatever, but you'll be able to save your media. And we'll make it so that you can use audio or video from any place in the URL. But you can save your image here by simply copying any image of any video. You'll run it through the stream and put it back in your image drawer. That will appear in your image list, so you can really select on it when you get to do video. So that's when the hosing package will be somewhat different. This is a development Studio 5. So you come in here to create pages and stuff and store them there. So everything that, let's close this up. Everything that you do is basically is where you store your stuff virtually. So if you had your music and your video are being stored someplace else, you can grab the URL of them and come here and utilize them within your page so they'll appear up in your page. So you know how to store your audio and video here. Even your image, you don't have to store here, anything, right? But the creation of your page and everything, it's great. So it's even good for if, when the media think of a music site, radio and all these people, they still have control over their audio and all that stuff being with them. And they're physically just using the design, right? That way. But they take their audio and stuff like that. If in the future, the HTML5 Studio becomes a place where you can store your audio or your video in the cloud, then that will come. But this program is mostly that you utilize URLs from different and various sites in order to do the creation and so forth, even grab and snip through URL to be included into the program, right? So that's why you have a file manager, right? And in this file manager, right, is where here. So this file manager doesn't have an index in it, but it could be also indexed. That means you can actually have a front page there. Okay, so like our page that we did right there, you just saw, we did that one there that just went by, right, in it. So you see the demo, you can definitely do a YouTube page to reflect all your YouTube videos, and you can put in a link to your YouTube list.
In 2166
And so that's my little demo directory where I'm just like a user. You know, this right here is not really good, so I should get rid of it. It look like it's not set, so let's rewind up still. Okay, so this I need to go fix that. But certainly didn't resolve. Okay. Maybe I think oh yeah, I forgot. I did that purposely, right? Just in case anyone had got into it when it was open and I didn't want to delete anything. That's why I did that. Because it was on a demonstration where I have you to look at it and stuff like that. But definitely, I didn't want you to have the ability to delete. That's what I did, didn't I? Yeah. Just checking. When I did that, I was just checking. Right? Okay. So, basic stuff. I'm just rattling through the page as I'm here. You know that's what I'm doing, right? And just seeing stuff that I was playing around with. So great, you guys. So this is like the user part of the site where it's like a primo, right? And so we're gonna fix up the front and everything. You get more information and connect it to the developer when you come in here. I think if you're doing HTML5 Studio, VGA Cloud 5 setup. This is the HTML5 part of HTML5 program where users come in and we're gonna mingle. I'm gonna get it together right now that we have a small community with a nice text post that we can talk to each other in there about the development. If you need to send information back to me, and I'll come in and I'll read a post on the inside and see if everything is good and that type of stuff. Okay, thanks for being